In this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Topaz AI and Luminar Neo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Topaz AI. Topaz AI is a powerful photo editing software that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance images, sharpen details, and upscale photos without losing quality. Pros of Topaz AI: advanced AI technology for noise reduction and image upscaling, excellent for enhancing image quality with minimal effort, high quality results for restoring old or low resolution images, great for professional photographers. Cons of Topaz AI: higher system requirements may require powerful hardware, lacks some of the creative editing tools available in other software, expensive for users who only need basic photo enhancements. Now let's talk about Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo is a versatile photo editing software known for its intuitive interface and AI powered tools that enhance creativity like sky replacement and portrait editing. Pros of Luminar: Neo user friendly interface, suitable for both beginners and professionals, wide range of creative tools like sky replacement and AI portrait enhancement, AI powered tools for quick adjustments, regular updates with new features. Cons of Luminar: Neo requires a powerful computer to run smoothly with large images. Some tools may not be as precise as other professional software, lacks advanced features for high-end professional workflows. So that's basically the main differences between Topaz AI and Luminar Neo, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. Thanks for watching.